to the tutorial of Faster Car. This tutorial is not typically for beginners, but I'm going to try breaking it down as simple as I can for you. Before we get started, I have to mention the first thing that you need that's required for the song is a capo. This, you can get at a guitar store for about $10–15. It's kind of expensive for a little clamp, but it really opens up your horizons to playing all kinds of songs easily. Where some songs you have bar chords, they're kind of really hard to stretch your fingers. This kind of gives you leeway to just play regular standard chords, and you can play any song with this. This song only has 3 chords. It's F major, G, and A minor. For the verses, it's the 3 chords played forward, and for the chorus, it's played 3 chords back. Now the capo needs to be, if you're in standard tuning, listen to the strings. This has no capo on it. So that's the standard tuning. I'll put in a link below of standard tuning that you can find on YouTube. I'll just link that video in the info section. But if your guitar is in standard tuning, you have to have the capo on the 6th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so I'll play you a little bit of the song without me playing the music in the background. It goes F, G, A minor. That is F, G, A minor. And I'll put the chords on the screen right here. This is F. This is G. And this is A minor. Now let's do the strumming pattern. So we're going to focus on my right hand. If you're a right-handed guitar player, you play with your right hand. So if you're playing with your left hand, then it's reversed. But here we go. All right, here's the strumming pattern. So it's I'm gonna play it with just open chords, and the strumming pattern has a little bit of a slap after every chord. So after a chord, you do. You can pause this video and practice that technique on your own until you get the hang of it. I really enjoy songs that have a slap on it. It just gives a little bit of texture to the chords in the song. Now let's try the strumming pattern while playing chords. Now here's the F. So what you do is you hit the bass string, the top string, the thicker string with your thumb. And with your index finger, you strum upward. And that together sounds like this, with the slap at the end. And then you switch to the other chord, G. Now I want you to be practicing this on your own. This is how you learn a song. You have to play it in sections. And then here's the A minor. So you practice that. Now we're going to put it all together. Now the timing is you count. You count 1, 2, 3, 4 as you play. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't know how to sing and play at the same time, you can practice by playing one chord. You can try it with the F chord if you want, and count. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been feeling so small. I've been feeling so small. You practice that over and over again until you can be able to switch through the chords as you sing. And they're very quick chord switches, so you have to be really on your toes. This is how fast you need to switch chords. So the chorus, I'll put it all together to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spin my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. So now we're going to work on the chorus. So all the chords that you just learned played forward is going to be played backward for the chorus. So it sounds like this. So here's a little bit of the strumming pattern for the chorus. So it's A minor, G, F, A minor, G, F. And the chord switches are pretty fast. So the longest chord that you're going to be playing, the longest chord that you're going to be playing is A minor, and then G, one little strum, and back to F. So the chorus all together should sound like this. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. And then you go back to the chorus. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. And then right after that, he just does a little strum pattern on the A minor for 2 times, and then he goes back to the regular strumming pattern. So after he goes, I wanna drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest. Alright, thank you for tuning in and watching this tutorial. I hope I didn't butcher it too bad. If you can comment below how long you've been playing guitar, what guitar you have. This is a Taylor 214 CE Sunburst. I'd like to know what kind of guitars you have, where you guys are tuning in from, and leave a comment and a like down below, and share the video with your friends so that they can learn the song. Thank you.